Hey guys, how you doing? This is Coach Scott, and we're going to talk about some things. Again, this is Unit 4. So let's look at a mixture and let's look at a compound. Okay? Let's look over here, and I'm going to draw a mixture of hydrogen gas and chlorine gas. So we know from our work that hydrogen is diatomic. In other words, there's two atoms with it. So I've got like, I don't know, three of those in there, and they're all over the place. It's a gas, and that's fine. Okay, and so my chlorine, that means if I've got a if I've got a mixture, I want to have my chlorine in there. So let's do, okay, two of those, two of those. So that's hydrogen gas, a mixture of hydrogen gas and chlorine gas. So they each have their own individual properties still, okay? Uh, but, nothing's happened. They're just doing their thing. Now, let's draw a compound. What's the difference with a compound? A compound are unique ratios of certain of the elements, right? And they're always going to be the same. So, if I was to combine, compound these things together, I know that hydrogen chloride is always HCl, one hydrogen, one chlorine. So I'm gonna draw out how many chlorines I've got. I've got four of them there, right? All right, let me go ahead and switch. So that's all four of my chlorines there. So now take care of my let's take care of my hydrogens. So I'm going to use this hydrogen here. There's one, there's two. Okay, so I'm just going to go underneath that so I know it. Then I'm going to use this hydrogen here. All right, so there's one, there's two. Now, because I drew three hydrogens over here in the mixture, H2s, two chlorines, I still got another hydrogen there, so I've got to pull that in there somewhere. So this is the compound hydrogen chloride, HCl, different properties from the mixture. And of course, now this is going to be a mixture because I have two hydrogens left. I got to throw those in there too. But the compound HCl is one hydrogen, one chlorine, always. That is the fixed ratio for hydrogen chloride. Okay? Now, if I was to be real honest, what I've got there is hydrogen chloride and one hydrogen gas. So I do it like that. Or I could have just drew three H2s and three chlorines and be done. And then just draw my things right. So whatever works for you. So anyway, there's mixtures and compounds. That's really about it. A compound is made up of fixed ratios. And we've talked about that and showed that. Oops, sorry. My wrist got in the way. So anyway, this is Coach Scott saying hullabaloo, connect. Hopefully this helps you. Have a great one.